Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can create logo by using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. First of all, I'll write here I want a logo for coffee shop and bakery and keep it pastels in color, and then I'll click on create. It will take some time to generate. Okay, so here are some options. I like this one. This one also looks good. I'll click on download. This is how you can create logo by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.